imagine posting something on Facebook from home, from her own computer on her own time would get her fired.
He died for us, protecting us.
Like so many others, Cheryl James was emotional following the shooting death of Taylor Police Corporal Matthew Edwards. She worked for the hospital organization that treated the police officer and the shooting suspect, Tyrese Matthews. One night, while at home, she posted on Facebook that she came face to face with a cop killer and hoped he rotted in hell. She also posted another remark we can't repeat. Tuesday, she got a call. Her bosses wanted to talk.
They called me in, told me that they got notice and word that I had posted this specific post on Facebook, and that they had to investigate it.
James says she immediately removed the posting and thought she might get written up or suspended. Instead, she got fired.
The reason they gave me was that I violated HIPAA regulations by disseminating protected health information about a patient on a public forum, being Facebook, and that it also included disparaging and disrespectful remarks.
Late this afternoon, a representative for Oakwood Hospital released this statement, which reads in part, "As healthcare providers, we have a legal and ethical responsibility to protect patient privacy, and we are bound by HIPAA rules and regulations to ensure that we do so. While we cannot discuss specific details regarding any current or former employee, we all have a legal and ethical responsibility to put our personal opinions aside and provide the care required for any patient who has entrusted us with their health."
I am familiar with HIPAA. I did not give out any of his information. I did not give out his name. I did not mention the hospital. I did not give out his condition.
James is still reeling from losing her job. She doesn't believe her actions warranted being fired. She has 2 small kids and her husband can't work. And while her feelings about the accused cop killer haven't changed, she says she'll think twice about what she posts on Facebook in the future.
Hindsight is 20/20. Would I take back what I did? No. Would I do it in a different manner? Maybe.
James is planning to fight her termination. In Taylor, Ronnie Dahl, Fox 2 News.